Now update your knowledge because there is tremendous invention occur in the physics. So this video to update your knowledge. We recently know that there is a four state of matter, that is substance or matter around us exhibit mainly in the four state. In the solid state, the force of attraction between the particle is very strong. In a liquid state of the matter, the force of attraction somewhat decreases, while in the gas state, the force of attraction completely vanishes and the atom or molecule occupy the whole space. Fourth state is a plasma state, in which this is known as a soup-like creation of the positive negative charges. In plasma state, there is only positive and negative charges. In the sun, inside the sun, we can find the plasma. And recently scientists revealed that there is also exists the fifth state of the matter, Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate is the fifth state, in which when the boson are cool to a nearly absolute zero temperature, we not distinguish between them. So they act as a single particle called as a superparticle. The boson act as a single particle called as a superparticle when the temperature is absolute zero, and this is called as a Bose-Einstein condensate. It is very important. So share this video so the maximum students know that now there are the five state of matter and not the four state. Share. Thanks.